Hi friends, welcome to our channel 7. In this video, we are going to see about the how to submit tax information form in AdSense for YouTube and blogs. I give a step-by-step procedure because it's very important. If you are a non-US person, you need to submit the form to reduce your tax from 30% to 15%. Otherwise, it will deduct up to 30%. So surely you need to follow the steps and submit the form as early as possible. It's very important. See, this video is for all non-US persons who already paying 15% of tax in your YouTube payment. So follow my steps and we enter into the video now. Please enter your PAN card in the payment settings. See left side payment settings and click manage settings. In the bottom, enter into the area. Here, please enter your name as per your PAN card in capital. See Indian tax info. Here you need to submit your PAN card details and first select the account individual and then give a name and address. Same in all area. So name and address very important with the PAN card details. In the Indian tax info, select and enter your PAN card details. See, mark area and then enter your address, name and address in the area. Give caps name as per your PAN card. It's very important. The same name will going to use in all the area. So here you got the important check message. Here no tax info on file. So we're going to submit the file. So click add tax info. It takes some time load and enter into the login page. You need to log in once again. Please give your email ID, password and login. Here you need to select the individual. We are not a company, individual. Here see our name will appear. So giving a name in the payment system is very important. Select individual and give next. See citizen of US, not we are not a citizen of US, so no. And then give next button. Here see non-US individual. We are a non-US individual. Already we give the individual, so we need to select the first one. If you are going to give a work as a company like cinema field or anything, you need to select second one. But here we are a individual, so select the first one. 8BN. Okay, and then give next. All are important. Name and address everyone is important. PAN card details are important. It took some time and enter the area. See the name of the individual. My name was appear here as per you entered before. And see the second one. So it's very optional. If you are a company, then give like T series or anything, then you give the company name. Otherwise, don't give any name. It's optional. Just leave the space empty. See company. If you are a company name, then enter the details. Enter your country name. That's all. Let's give India my country name. And here the foreign ID number. We are a foreign member because US members are local only. We are a foreign member. So give your PAN card details in foreign TIN. Give your PAN card number and then click next. Here address. Give the same address what you see in the payment area. Already I mentioned. See our name of individual, country, foreign tax ID all are appeared already. And then here we need to give the address as per in the payment area. Once again I show you. Click the payment area on the left side. Here you can enter payment settings. Here click the manage settings at the bottom. See here you can see your address. Just copy the address and paste in the address 1, address 2 and give your state name, country name. Very important. Give same address, then surely it will approve easily. And select your country, your state. Myself Tamil Nadu, so I select the state Tamil Nadu and give the code number. City code number is very important. And then postal address for same as the permanent resident address. Tick the box and give next. Here is a very important one. For US person, they deduct 30% of tax. So we are not a US person, so we need to click yes. Okay, it's for yes for non-US and no for 30% deduction of US members, and give the tick for the residents of country claiming 30 with the US and select your country. I'm selecting my country India. That's all. Here we need to give the 3 forms: service, motion picture and other copyright. First select the service. Here it's very important. We're going to submit the form. We enter our details. Now we're going to submit the form. C article 7 and paragraph 1. Here select 0. We are non-US, so 0 for service AdSense and tick the box. Okay, now motion picture TV, like TV channel anything. Here submit the form. 12 paragraph 2A 2 and C. Here's a 15%. We are already paying 50%, so non-US member, so 15%. So then third one other copyright. So here also 12 article 12 and 2A 2. Here also 15%. That's all. 0, 15 and 15. 3. Keep it in mind, don't select 30. First one 0, second one 15 and third one 15. Tick the box and click next. Here we submitted the form. We submitted all the form or details, name, address and PAN card number. You check it and you show the preview. Here all the file preview was available in the PDF format. See, it is now loading. See, all the 4 details are arrived. One was default and others are 3 already given. Just click and see it in a separate page. You check the details and if you want, you can save in the PDF format in your system and if all are okay, then tick the box and click next button. That's all. Nearly you finished all the areas, and here you need to give signature. I give the same name as a PAN card. And here we click form was on own behalf, on your own behalf, not behalf of anyone. So first one yes, person on own behalf of your own, and then here Google with the US. We are not a US member, so click no. And then here we need to just tick the box. We are solo outside of US. Okay, we are solo outside of US, not US member, so tick the box and here new or existing payment. We are already got payment. Tick the second box if you are new user. So I select the second one and tick the box. Okay, my name was added at the bottom and I click submit. That's all. Just we submitted the file, waiting for the approval. The using address and name, PAN card details need to be same in all the area. Very important. See, my form was approved 13th March with my name and all details are added to my mail. See, 15%, 15%, 0% all are in the bottom right side. Your address was arrived. Everything was confirmed and see the mail. Your tax information was approved. Okay, it's very important. I got approved. See, view tax info. Click. See, it's mail important. Now I click view tax info. I get the particular page. Thank you, Seven.